Hello everyone, my name is Rosan Marisano from BSA Block B. In my opinion, what is poverty in Aurora, Zamboanga District? In Aurora, Zamboanga District, situation is influenced by several interconnected factors. Although Aurora is more developed compared to some neighboring municipality, many families is still struggling because of limited opportunity and uneven access by basic service. One major because is the defense of agriculture. Many people rely on farming, but income from farming is often low due to small landholders, traditional method, and unstable market prices. When harvests are bad or buyer offered low farm gates prices, families has never little to fall back on. Another factor is a lack of established jobs. Aside from farming, there are not enough industries or large business in Aurora but can provide regularly employment. Your people often leave of cities to find work when sometimes weekends and local economic rather. Access to quality education and healthcare also affect poverty when students do not finish school or when healthcare and costly or far. It's come harder for families to provide their living condition. The cycle continues from one general to the next. Infrastructure such as roads, water system, and transportation have improved but not quality across. All barangays remove access still experience limited connectivity, making it hard for farmers to bring product to market or for people to reach opportunity. Overall poverty in Aurora is not simple but lack of money. It's a combination of limited opportunity, agriculture depends, where local industry and avenue access to service.